Ever wondered why dietary choices become increasingly important as we move past the age of 50? It's because as we age, our bodies undergo changes that can be positively influenced by what we consume. Today, we'll delve into the top 15 foods to include in your diet after reaching that half-century milestone. These foods are not only delicious, but they also provide a myriad of health benefits that can help us thrive in our silver years. First on our list is the humble blueberry. Packed with antioxidants, these tiny berries can help keep your memory sharp and protect against heart disease. Next, we have salmon. This fish is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health and cognitive function. Thirdly, there's dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow, thanks to its rich content of flavonoids. Fourth on our list are almonds. These nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and they can help maintain a healthy weight and lower cholesterol levels. Fifth are green leafy vegetables. Foods like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, and can help prevent chronic diseases. The sixth food is Greek yogurt. High in protein and calcium, Greek yogurt supports bone health and aids in digestion. Seventh on the list is quinoa. This grain is a complete protein and is also packed with fiber, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Next we have tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes can help protect against the development of certain types of cancer. Ninth on our list is avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats and fiber, supporting heart health and helping to control blood sugar levels. 10th, we have olive oil. Known for its heart-healthy fats, olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. 11th are eggs. An excellent source of protein, eggs also provide essential vitamins and minerals. 12th on our list is red wine. In moderation, red wine can help protect against heart disease, thanks to its high levels of resveratrol. 13th, we have green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea can help reduce the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. 14th on the list is garlic. This flavorful bulb can help boost the immune system and reduce blood pressure. Finally, we have water. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially as we age, and water is the best way to do that. In summary, these 15 foods are not just beneficial for those over 50. They are wholesome choices for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. From blueberries to water, each food item offers unique health benefits that support various aspects of our well-being, including heart health, cognitive function, bone health, and more. So make a toast to health and longevity with these nutritious food choices. Your body will thank you for it.